In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a functional search bar to your Wix website. This is particularly useful for enhancing user experience, allowing visitors to quickly find what they're looking for. Let's dive into the steps. First, you'll want to open Wix Editor or Wix Studio in your Chrome browser. Wix Editor is a powerful tool that lets you customize your site extensively, while Wix Studio gives you a more structured approach. Once you're on your site dashboard, click on Edit Site to enter the editing environment. Now that you're in the Wix editor, your next destination is the Wix App Market. This is a treasure trove of apps that can extend the functionality of your website. To get there, look for the icon that looks like four small squares on the left side of your screen. Clicking on this will open the App Market, where you can find a wide variety of tools and features. Within the app market, you're going to search for the Wix Site Search app. This app is specifically designed to integrate a search bar into your website, making content searches seamless for your visitors. In the search bar of the app market, type Wix Site Search and press enter. Once you locate it, click on the Add to Site button. This action automatically installs the app onto your site, and it's configured to work without needing complex coding. With the app installed, it's time to decide where you want your search bar to be displayed. You might want it prominently on your homepage or consistently available in the header across all pages. Simply drag and drop the search bar widget onto the desired location on your page. Placing it in the header is often recommended if you want visitors to have access to search functions on any page they visit. Now that the search bar is in place, you can customize its settings and design to match your brand. Click on the search bar to open its settings. Here, you'll find a variety of customization options like changing the color, size, and style to ensure it aligns well with the rest of your site's design. You can also tweak its search settings to fine-tune how it indexes your site's content, whether it's prioritizing certain types of content or showing how many results are found. You have control over the search experience your users will have. Once you're satisfied with how everything looks and works, it's incredibly important to save your changes. Click the Save button frequently to ensure none of your hard work is lost. When you're ready for your adjustments to go live, hit the Publish button. This makes the changes visible to anyone visiting your site. And there you have it. You've successfully added and customized a search bar on your Wix website. By following these steps, you've enhanced your site's usability and provided your visitors with a powerful tool to find what they're looking for with ease. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.